Kurt Jerman here with Denison Yachting San Diego. Today I'd like to welcome you aboard a beautiful 2016 Bali 4.3 catamaran from the Katana Group. This is an owner's version layout with the owner's cabin and very large bathrooms situated in the port hull. Starboard side, you'll find two large guest cabins, each with their own head and shower. One of the standout features on this cat is its unique garage door, which easily rolls up, creating a very open and functional inside-out space for entertaining and comfortable living. The large dining table can easily seat 6 to 8 people, making meals enjoyable and comfortable for everyone. As an added feature, the pedestals holding the table are retractable, which allows the table to be lowered to make an enormous lounge area. Working our way towards the galley, you will be amazed at the full-size refrigerator and freezer, complete with ice maker and water dispenser. This Samsung fridge is powered with a 12-volt system, but has its own inverter so it can easily convert to 110-volt when hooked up to shore power. Moving forward in the cabin, you have a large opening window creating an amazing visual looking forward, with the added bonus of being able to pass food and drinks to the front deck area. Up top, Bali has a spacious flybridge steering station with lounge area, giving you visibility not seen on most of today's modern cruising cats. Nice wide walkways lead forward to the front lounge area, usually consisting of nets or trampolines on most cats, with a small lounge area. Bali has done away with the nets and in its place has molded in seating and solid fiberglass all the way forward. With seat cushions and tables in place, this forward area creates an amazing area for relaxing at anchor or entertaining to your heart's content. If you have not been aboard a Bali catamaran, you need to give us a call today and come see what you're missing. This is currently in charter with West Coast Multihulls charter fleet, with the option to stay once purchased. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to getting you aboard this rare West Coast offering.